So my first year selling on Amazon, I want to make a quick video for you guys and explain to you my humble opinion about what I did. And I want to make a relatable video because I know a ton of you guys watching my channel are brand new to Amazon or have never even had a product up on Amazon, and you guys are just contemplating selling on Amazon and what it's all about. So I want to make a really authentic video. I'm not going to really go into tactics or anything. I just want to share my experiences with you guys because I truly think this will help you. If I had seen this video 5 years ago when I started, it would have put a lot of clarity to where I am today, and I really truly think it's going to help you guys. So if you're new to the channel, my name's Alec. I've been selling on Amazon for the last 5 years. I'm a multiple 6- and 7-figure per year Amazon seller, and I'm just sharing all my experiences with you guys to help you guys really understand and get clarity into the whole process and everything that goes on behind it. And I speak a lot about Amazon on my channel. I have a ton of videos on my channel about product research and all the really fine-tuned things about selling on Amazon. So feel free to check them out. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and comment on the video. It really helps me to understand and see that you guys are really watching the videos and you guys enjoy what I'm putting out. So that way I can put out more videos like this. So to get into this, I really want to just explain. I started on Amazon 5 years ago, and to go against what everybody's saying online and YouTube, guys, I really understand that you guys are being bombarded with a lot of stuff. And even as a 5-year seller, looking at some YouTube videos, I'm like, wow, this is like crazy because some of you guys, you're brand new beginners and you're being just blasted with all this stuff, and it could be really intimidating to say the least. Without any guidance or direction, it's really hard. So in my first year selling on Amazon 5 years ago, I had no guidance or anything like that because there was no such thing. I was pretty much a pioneer on Amazon. When FBA first started, I was pretty much one of the first to do Amazon FBA, and I started in wholesale, and I still do that, but as well as private label. And my first private label product went well. It wasn't until my second private label product in my first year where I really had a pretty big issue. I want to explain that to you, and make sure you stay till the end because I'll explain to you how you guys can really avoid this particular situation. And also, I have something gift for you guys at the end that you're not going to miss. So make sure you stay till the end. So with this first product, guys, I really dove in, and I had no guidance, like I said, because there was no such thing as an Amazon course. There were really probably like 2 videos on YouTube about Amazon, and I've been selling on Amazon for a little bit before that, but just random fulfilled items out of my own house. So my second product doing that, I had went to China and I purchased about 1,000 units of this product, and at that point it was slightly competitive. And what I did was I ordered about 10 pallets of this product. And to begin with, it was probably over my head thinking back for my first product. I should have started out and understood the process before I really went in that deep into a product. But I don't regret one bit what I did because it was all a learning experience. It would have not got me to where I am today 5 years later. Cyber Monday just passed. I just did over $20,000 in one single day. So I mean, all of the mistakes I've had, I could really just chalk them up to learning experiences, even though I did lose quite a bit of money. And I want to help you guys prevent and reduce that possibility of losing that type of money at all. So I mean, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, leave this video a thumbs up, and check out my other videos because I really go in and help you guys out as a new seller. So I had ordered 10 pallets, I got them in, and I knew about like launching and all this type of stuff because I've heard of it a little bit, but I really wasn't 100% sure about how to do it. So I did probably one of the biggest mistakes you probably could ever do on Amazon regarding launching. So what I did, and I could laugh at what I did now 5 years later, but what I did was I actually set no max order quantity on this single product. And so basically what that means, if you're new to Amazon, so someone could purchase one all the way up to however many, they could buy out your whole amount of inventory because you don't have a limit per buyer. So I set up a coupon, a giveaway, and I used no launch service or anything like that. And the launch was actually public. So anybody coming on Amazon and coming on my product page could see that this launch and this promotion was public, and anybody can get it. And I go much more in detail in my course that will be coming out very shortly about all this type of stuff and protecting yourself from this particular situation. But I did not put any type of limitation on my product. So what happened, guys, is I ran a promotion and I kind of left it alone, and I was going to shut it off once I, got some boost and ranking. And I came back 2 hours later and I had 1,000 units. I got these things in by sea. It took 2 months to get all these in, pallet loads. I paid a ton of money for sea shipping, and they were over £1. So it was a pretty big investment. So what actually happened was within 2 hours, I left it alone. I was going to come back later that night and shut the promotion off. And really at this point, no one really knew what launches were. No one really understood the nuances of them, and everything was pretty much new. And I was going through the woods on my own with all this type of stuff because I was understanding this from a new seller, and nobody was really doing this to give me guidance. So what I did was I came back 2 hours later, and I almost fell off the chair. I had 600 units gone, like 100% gone, and they were given away at $1. I was having a heart attack, and I was actually I didn't know what to do. So I got on the phone immediately with Amazon, and I was freaking out about this because I lost thousands of dollars off this product because I had multiple people purchasing this product at $1, and they just wiped out my entire inventory. And what actually happened was, since I did not have an order quantity set, people were actually purchasing like 20 of these products. And then what actually happened, to just fast forward a little bit, is within 1-2 weeks, people were actually taking the product and relisting them on my own product, undercutting me on the price, and they were making all the profit. Guys, it was just a complete disaster. So what's the real moral of the story here? I want to help you guys as beginners. I don't want to scare you off about Amazon or anything like that. I just wanted to be transparent with you guys of my first year of selling, because guys, it was not really a smooth off the start. And if many of you guys today had that type of experience, you guys probably would have quit. And I just want to help you guys understand my character and who I am. I never gave up, and I kept pushing through. 5 years later, I'm still at it. I'm growing my businesses. I actually opened up 3 more brands, private label brands, along with my wholesale business that I'm running. To sell on Amazon, guys, you really have to have a real grit, and you can't really stumble on the small things. And that was not a small thing that happened to me. I lost a lot of money. I got a little bit back, and I actually was able to stop about 200 orders before they were shipped out. I had to create spreadsheets and this and that, and it was just a complete disaster. I went on for 2 weeks trying to stop orders and try to stop this flow of orders really just going out at a complete loss. So the moral of the story, guys, is really understand what you're doing. And I wish I had somebody telling me what to do back 5 years ago, because I would have completely 100% prevented this mistake and really not got into this downward spiral right off the bat. I learned from this mistake, and I've had a lot of mistakes along the way. And as an entrepreneur, guys, it's normal to have stumbling blocks and mistakes, but it really, even with guidance and stuff, you have to understand and feel the things out on your own. Because what my full suggestion as a beginner, guys, and I think this video is really going to help you, because if I was seeing this video 5 years ago, I would really just soak this video in and understand that things take time. And you can't just see one video on YouTube of someone saying they're making $100,000 a month on Amazon and think you guys are going to be doing the same thing within 60 to 90 days. Amazon is massive. There is so much opportunity out there for you guys. But what I want to say is, really, you have to understand to get your feet wet before you really dive in head first and really understand the process and all the things that go behind this. Because, guys, at the end of the day, this is a business, and you really want to make sure that everything is right. Your products are amazing. Everything is right. You're building brands on Amazon, like I speak about on my channel. I have other videos that I could link here, talk more in depth about that type of stuff. And you really want to just understand the process in the game. And I know you guys see so much stuff on YouTube. Like I said in the beginning, it could be overwhelming, guys. You're trying to listen to all these different people. And if I was starting, I would just listen to one person who I think that they are authentic and real and are actually selling on Amazon FBA. Because sometimes I really feel bad that a lot of you guys are listening to these gurus on Amazon who are speaking about it, and they really started selling on Amazon 4 months prior. Guys, I've been doing this for 5 years, and I'm not really blowing wind under my wings or anything like that, but I really did not put out any video on YouTube until I was 5 years in. I really would never put anything out online that I wasn't confident about, because if I'm not confident about it, I would never try to try to convince or help share my information with you guys if I wasn't confident about it. And a lot of people start selling on Amazon, and a month, 2 months later, they're trying to teach other people how to do it. That's something I would never do, but I guess that's just my nature, because whatever I do, I know that it's going to be here forever, and I want to create a lasting impact more than to make a few quick bucks on selling a course or something like that. So I really just wanted to share this with you guys because I know it's going to truly help you guys, and really just bring clarity to my first year. It was a struggle for me in the beginning, and guys, if you're going through any struggles on Amazon, please just take a step back and understand what you're doing, and really understand that there's an answer to everything you guys are doing. There's an answer to why maybe your product isn't moving as good as you expected. There's an answer to everything, guys. And if you guys can understand that as an entrepreneur and as in business, not even Amazon FBA, you guys have to be nimble and flexible as an entrepreneur in general, because things come up, things happen. You have to be able to respond and act with the marketplace and be able to serve your customers, and really put your best foot forward, because with this business and with any other business, you really can't half-ass it. You want to make sure everything is done properly and right, and that's why I'm putting these videos out there to help you guys, because again, like I said before, if I saw this video, I would really be grateful for it, because I would try to model anybody who has had some success and that has had some success in the thing that I want to do. So I don't want to make this video too long, guys. I did say I was going to give you guys something. It is around the Christmas season, so I am creating a mini course for you guys about Amazon FBA. A lot of people charge a few $100 for this type of thing, but I'm going to give it to you guys for completely free. So it is going to be linked down in the description, probably the first or second link. So guys, check that out. And if you guys enjoyed this video, it would mean the world to me if you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and guys, please leave a comment below. If you have any questions, make sure you ask them below, and I'll try to answer them as best as I possibly can. Your experiences on how long you've been selling on Amazon, and if you guys have had any real horror stories on Amazon. So guys, leave a comment below. It would really mean the world to me. Just say what's up, how long you've been selling on Amazon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, make sure to subscribe, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.